Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the nested if inside the Power Query editor. So I have here the worksheet that I used in my previous video showing you the ifs formula, how to use the ifs formula. So I have here the ifs formula and then I compared it with the nested if on the other side here. And I use this reference data for the computation of the monthly premium for our build health contribution. So this is the basis. We're here in 2021. We have minimum, maximum salary, and the equivalent premium. And we're going to use the same data here um, in another working file. Of course, again, using the Power Query. So let's go in here with my new working file. So I have two tables here. So we're gonna load that in the Power Query. Let's work on the monthly salaries first. So let's go to data from table range. Let's wait for it. So click OK in the Power Query editor. So rename it first as monthly salary. Okay. Then close and load to. Go to the home tab. Close and load to. And only create connection and OK. Now let's work on the second one. Select any of the data, go to the data tab from table range and OK. And then the same thing, let's rename it as rep table or reference table, and then make a connection, close and load to, and then only create connection. OK. That's it. Now the next thing is to reference this ref table. Right click that and click reference. And then here, let's rename it first as the mid because I'll be working on the mid premium rate because this is a percentage. We're gonna reference it for our formula. So let's remove the other columns, delete that, choose the number, right click and drill down. That's it. And then make a connection, go to the home tab, close and load to, and create connection. Okay, now let's duplicate this monthly salary. Right click that and duplicate. And then let's rename it as the report. This is the final table. And then let's append this table, this monthly salary and ref table. So I'm going to use this mini table here on the side and mini drop down and click append queries. Okay. And then just two tables. Table to append will be the ref table. And then okay. And that's it. Now we loaded the data here. Let's remove this rate. We already have that. And then I'm gonna choose this mean salary up to the high premium. And then I'm gonna transform it. Fill that up, and that's it. I'm gonna remove the null here on row 17. So I'm gonna choose that button, drop down, and uncheck the null, and OK. So that's it. Now we're ready to write the if formula. We're gonna add column here and custom column. Then rename the column name as the premium. And then we're gonna write the if. So it's the same thing, write the if. Then in here with no open and close parentheses, just the if. And let's go with the logical test. If this monthly salary here is less than or equal to the minimum salary, let's work on the minimum. Then instead of a comma, write then. That should be low premium. Instead of a comma again, write else for the false value. Then write another if. That makes a nested if. If this monthly salary is greater than or equal to the max salary here, else high premium. That should not be else. That should be then. And else, that should be the mid. Monthly salary here multiplied by the mid, the reference that we made, that we're gonna call in the number that from capital N and F, then I'm gonna write the mid, and that's it. No errors detected, and okay. So you have this premium computation here. So delete the other columns, the minimum, maximum, low, and high premium. We're not gonna need that anymore. Delete that, and then go to the Home tab, close and load to, and it created connection. Right click this report here on the side, right click that, and choose load to and to table and new worksheet. Okay, and that's it. That's the report now. Change it into a number. Okay, let's test it. Let's go back to the other worksheet. Let's see if this 2022 now, then that will be changed. That the maximum salary will be 80,000 and then 4%. Okay, 80,000, and then the low premium is 400, and the rate is 4, and the high premium is 3,200. So let's change that, and then go to data and refresh all. And this is the report now. Let's check it. That should be 4%. It's the mid, and that is equal. So that is working now. So let's test it again and hide this worksheet here. I have 1,000 data for the monthly salary. So I'm going to copy that and then go to the data and Alt ESV, pasting it here in the monthly salary column. Then let's check the report sheet and see what will happen. Go to data and refresh all, and there you have it. It automatically computes for the premium, and that's it. That's how you do nested if inside the Power Query. Finish here, I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button, and see you next time, and thanks.